Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn about how to open and close programs. So there are several steps on which you will be able to open and close a program. So first of all, to be able to open and close a program, it is either, so let's deal with the open part. So it's either you find the program on the desktop of your computer, that is by looking for the icon, or you can come to the start menu, then you set it over there, or you can come to the search engine, then what, search it over there. So that's how to go about opening a file or a folder. So right now, let's see if I want to open my Zoom workspace. I want to open my Zoom workspace. So if it is on my desktop as the first step, to look for it on the desktop. If it is on my desktop, come to it, you double click, that is clicking the left button rapidly twice. So double click, you wait for it to open. So we've successfully opened the file or application, that is the Zoom workspace. If let's say it is not here on the workspace, the second step is to look for it in the start menu. So I want to open Zoom, come to Zoom, that is the Z column, you double click on it, it opens for you. Let me close it. So come to Zoom, double click on it, wait, then it opens for you. That is the second way. The third way also is to come to your search area, then search for Zoom. So the moment you type in the keywords, you can see it appearing on your search area, then you click on open. It opens it for you. Also, sorry, I forgot about this. That is when the icon is on the desktop, it's either you double click on it or you right click, then you come to open, then it also opens it for you. So that's how to open a file or a program. Let's just say you want to close it. If you want to close it, that is the close button, that is close. This is the, so okay, my maximize is not active yet. Then this is the minimize, then this is the minimize button. So if you want to close a file or an application, you just come to your close section, then you would left click on it to close it. So that's how to close a file or a program or anything. Let's just see the normal file, that's a computer window. So you can just come. So this is my maximize. I've maximized it. So let me restore it down. So this is my maximize. Click on right and left click on it. You maximize. This is my close, to close the window that I've opened. And this is my minimize, to minimize it to the taskbar. This is it. So totally, this is my how to open and close programs or applications. You can use Google Chrome also to check. Double click on it. That is the first step. You want to close it, come here, you close it. There are also some key functions to do it. So let's say Control plus F4 also to close it, in case you don't want to move your mouse to click on it, like click on the close. So you can use the shortcut, that's the control plus, you don't remove your hands, then press on the F4. That's how to close an application or a file. Thank you guys, and thanks for the wonderful moments.